Hello everyone and welcome to the online session of science. So today this is our revision session of chapter 2, as in our previous session we have revised chapter 1. So chapter 2 is components of food. So we are going to revise about, as this chapter is components of food. So the main components of food are carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamin and minerals. These are called nutrients. Apart from this, water and roughage, or you can say fiber. So in the slide you can see the different nutrients of the food: carbohydrate, protein, fat, vitamin and mineral, water. So these are the main components, or these are the main nutrients which is present in our food. Our next slide is about food classification. So as we have already discussed about it, different nutrients present in our food. So energy giving food, we can categorize it into different categories. First is energy giving food, which is carbohydrate and fats. Carbohydrate and fat gives us energy. Second, bodybuilding food. Protein is called bodybuilding food, as protein helps in our growth and development. And third is protective food, which is vitamins and minerals. Vitamin and minerals protect us from various diseases. That's why we called it protective food. So this is a kind of food classification. Our next slide is about carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body, and we can categorize carbohydrate into two different categories: simple carbohydrate and complex carbohydrate. Simple carbohydrate means which gives us instant energy. For example, carbohydrates are sugars, some of the edible sugars, sucrose, fructose, maltose, glucose, etc. So this is simple carbohydrate which gives us instant energy. Then complex carbohydrate, it takes a longer time to digest. It first broke down into simple carbohydrate and then provide us energy. So it takes longer time to get broken down. So this is about carbohydrate and types of carbohydrate. Our next slide is about fat. So fat composed of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and they are also energy giving food. Here in the slide you can see some sources of fat like oil, ghee, milk, butter, eggs, etc. If we'll talk about function, as I have told you, fats also gives us energy, and fat give much more energy as compared to carbohydrate. Both provide us energy. So if we'll talk about test of fat, so you can test of fat by given activity. Wrap the food item in a piece of paper and crush it. Now straighten the paper. Appearance of an oily patch through which light is faintly visible shows the presence of fat. So this you can do at your home. So this is about fat. Our next slide is about protein. So protein, as we called it, bodybuilding food, and as I have already informed you in the previous slides, protein made up of several small units which we call amino acid. And in the slide you can see the function: required for the growth, repair and maintenance of the body tissue, and provides a secondary source of energy if insufficient carbohydrates are available. अगर आपकी बॉडी में कार्बोहाइड्रेट या फैट एनर्जी नहीं है, इनसफिशिएंट अमाउंट में है, तो ये सेकेंडरी सोर्स है एनर्जी का. Here you can see the sources: meat, milk, eggs, fish, soybean, nuts, legumes, beans, cheese. These are some sources of protein. So our next slide is about vitamins. So vitamin, we called it protective food also, as they prevent us from various diseases. And function, as you can see, digestion, absorption and metabolism also. So this is about vitamin. Now mineral. Minerals are naturally occurring inorganic substances, and functions of mineral, if we'll talk about, so it also prevent us from various diseases. This is about mineral. Our next slide is about water. Water is not considered a nutrient. It is very essential component of our food. So as we all know, a major portion of our body is formed of water. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food, and it is essential for most of the life process of body functions. So water is very essential component present in our food. Our next slide is about. Till then, that's all for the day. Till then, thank you. Stay home, stay safe, and prepare for your test. All the best.